Welcome to my channel Global Car, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of cars. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of auto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that continues to balance style, practicality, and technology for modern drivers. The 2025 HR-V carries forward Honda's sleek and modern design language. It comes with a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that give it a confident yet sporty stance. The updated design ensures that this SUV looks both premium and youthful, making it perfect for city life as well as weekend adventures. Under the hood, the HR-V features a refined 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a continuously variable transmission. This setup delivers a smooth and efficient drive, ideal for daily commutes. For those who value versatility, the available all-wheel drive system offers extra confidence in different road conditions. Inside, the 2025 HR-V is designed for comfort and practicality. You'll find a spacious cabin with quality materials, supportive seats, and Honda's signature Magic Seat system, allowing flexible cargo configurations. The technology package includes a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, keeping drivers connected and entertained. Honda Sensing, the brand's advanced suite of safety features, comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking. The HR-V isn't just about efficiency and safety, it's about making every journey enjoyable, whether you're navigating busy streets or heading out on a road trip. That's all for today's look at the 2025 Honda HR-V. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more car updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.